Subscribe and click the bell icon for all the television updates.
मनीष नागदेव ने आखिर सृष्टि रोड से ब्रेकअप के 6 महीने बाद सारी हिम्मत जुटा के अपनी चुप्पी तोड़ ली है और उन्होंने इंस्टाग्राम का सहारा लेते हुए बताया कि किस तरह सृष्टि ने उनसे अपने करियर का बहाना लेकर ब्रेकअप किया। पिछली बार प्यार में लिखा था, इस बार होश में लिख रहा हूँ। माय डियर फैंस, सपोर्टर्स एंड फॉलोवर्स, you must be wondering about my silence about my life in the last few months, and now while reading this, you must be curious. Why now? So let me tell you, I decided to express my feelings about the anguish that I have gone through openly today, despite being expected to man up and stay silent, because even if some people think I am stupid to talk about it, please don't forget. Men, just like women, have deep feelings. I expect anyone reading this confession to be brave and speak up about their feelings and pain, because nobody, be it a man or a woman, has the right to play with anyone's affection, feelings or emotions. To those who misuse this freedom and take advantage of another person's love, please stop doing it now and strive to grow greater from within, because it hurts others real bad. It could even change the entire course of their life by limiting them from becoming as accomplished as they could have ever become. The real issue is that these days there are people who, to advance their career and personal agendas, step on others and their work, jobs, relationships and emotions to fulfill their own ambitions and hunger for vanity. I have reached my tipping point today, and I am tired of avoiding my family, relatives and fans. I didn't speak to you before about this because I was still unsure until recently about the status of my relationship with my partner. But what can I do? She hadn't given me a proper closure after a 4-year relationship in which I involved her in every aspect of my life, family and my personal career. She had broken up with me over a phone call, and when I had asked her if we could talk about it face to face, she replied saying, I am at the peak of my career. I don't wish to be in this relationship anymore. And as it is, I am detached. What is left to talk about? That was a sudden shock to me. How could my fiancé break the relationship which was heading towards marriage over a single phone call? After that, there was complete silence from her side forever. Don't you think the least I deserved was a proper closure? Now, after 6 months of suffering and trying to move on from the terrible experience and wondering what I did wrong, I started connecting the dots. My friends and loved ones helped me see the obvious pattern in her actions by giving me a third person's unbiased view, for which I am thankful, because people usually lose their ability when they are in pain. So this just happened yesterday while I was sitting with a mutual friend of ours after a very long time, and it shattered me to know how he had this false information of me breaking up with her, leaving her. Like seriously? You think the person who for those 3 months put his life on hold and only concentrated on strategizing her PR, marketing, making her a brand, promoting her while she was inside the big boss house to eventually make her win, went all out to fight, argue with other celebs, fandoms, stood for my girl and gave interviews about how I trusted her and all the allegations on her and her relationship inside are baseless. Revisiting and thinking about all this only makes me feel how stupid I was to make her my life's only priority. I was the one who handled all her social media accounts and all the communication with the media. In the end, there was not even a simple thank you or any sign of gratefulness, not just to me, but to any friend of ours who stood for her while she was inside the big boss house, despite me requesting her to do that. I was the one who was manipulated and used for professional gains. My feelings were played with. My skills, personal efforts, hard work, network, and connections were used to the maximum for her own success. I am sure there are many like me out there who have been manipulated and used strategically by their partners to achieve their own ambitious goals. And I want to tell them this: don't be the victim of manipulation. Speak the truth and don't let the manipulators destroy you or your life just because you are silent. The man or woman you choose to be your partner affects everything in your life. Your mental health, your peace of mind, your love inside of you, your happiness, how you get through tragedies, your success, how your children will be raised, and much more. Choose wisely. Thank you and stay blessed. P.S. Not all men are dogs. इसी बात पे टेलीविजन की मशहूर एक्ट्रेस दिव्यांका त्रिपाठी और काम्या पंजाबी ने भी उस पे कमेंट करके मनीष को पूरा सपोर्ट किया. Yes, it is so important to talk, to share. Everyone has limits. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you feel crushed, but one day you reach that point where enough is enough. If you love someone with all your heart, their actions are affecting you in negative ways. There has to be a line when you say enough. I am glad you are venting it all out. God bless you, my friend. Always by your side, Manish. I know you for 13 years now. I know what you are made of. Just let the bygones be bygones and keep moving ahead with your head held high like before. Best times are yet to come. Trust me. आप सभी का क्या ख्याल है मनीष के उठाए हुए इस कदम का, हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना ना भूलें और बने रहिए टेली मसाला के साथ।